Cooking with Crossthread. Alright guys, today on Cooking with Crossthread, we're going to make a chicken pot pie. This is going to be delicious, super easy. It's going to take, let's see, 9 to 12 minutes apparently to make. Alright, so we want to start out at 350 degrees, 375. So we're going to start at 375. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to move on. We have 10 ounces of shredded chicken breast. Now, notice it is the premium chicken breast from Kroger. Remember, it's Kroger, not Kroger's. So let's give this a whomp, 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 whomp. All right, pop that out of there. Now we're just going to move on over and we're going to drain all the water out of this. So we have a 1 pound, 10 ounce, 26 ounce, whatever you want to call it, can of cream of chicken soup, but it is condensed soup. And that's important. Get the condensed, don't get the regular old chicken soup. It's not going to be right. Look how easy this recipe is going to be. So we're going to take our condensed soup, we're just going to dump it right in there. That's just a spoon. We're gonna get it all out. It's almost like pudding right now. I wouldn't try it though, but you know, it looks like banana pudding, doesn't it? That'd be a fun trick. Mess with people, you know. Say, hey, I brought banana pudding when actually I bought cream of condensed soup, chicken soup, whatever this is. Anyway, now I have my mixed vegetables. I went ahead and steamed these. Steam's in the bag, 5 minutes in the microwave. Just rip those open, maybe. Come on. Across our garage, we always have a knife. So we're just gonna dump our vegetables in. Look at them all nice and steamy. So now we went over, we got our chicken. We'll dump our chicken in there. Make sure we get it all. Don't like wasting food. So now we're just going to use the same. Look, no need to have a bunch of dishes, guys. No need at all. We're just going to stir all this up really nice. Obviously, I could have made, you know, I could have doubled the recipe on this for this pan. It would have been fine. Definitely would have held it. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I like my stuff salty, so I'm probably going to add a fair amount of salt. That's way too much salt. Gonna add some pepper. If I can get it open. All right. I like pepper too. Now we're just going to keep stirring. Notice we have only dirtied one dish outside of the colander where we, you know, drained our chicken. We've only dirtied one dish, unless you're counting the spoon that I'm using right now. Okay, 3 dishes. All right, that's all we've dirtied. So we are at 190 degrees or so on the oven. Again, guys, you know I'm not a chef. I'm just fixing some meals. This will be a good meal because this will last me a couple days, you know. So let's go over the price on this. The chicken was, I don't know, I want to say it was like $3.99. The condensed soup was like $1.99. So let's say we had $6 there, and this was about $3. So what are we looking at? 6 plus 3 is 9. Then the vegetables were $1.99 for this bag. It's a 12-ounce bag. So what, we have $11 in this meal. And I'm going to be able to eat this for a couple days. Now, I like to use the crescent dinner rolls. You can use anything you want. You can take biscuits and just set them on top of your pizza crust. I've done that, you know. But I like these because I like a little flakiness to my meal. Come on, pop. There we go. So, I don't know what's going on here. Oh no, these are falling apart already. All right, well, that's fine. So we're going to try and figure out where the end is to unroll these, because I really don't know. What is going on here? How do I even get started with unrolling these? What is happening? Let's move on to this one. Maybe it'll unlock a clue for us. Oh, there we go. All right, so that one unrolled. So we're gonna break off these triangles here, or whatever they are. Not exactly triangles, they're more obtuse, I guess. Whatever you're obtuse. Anyway. Oh no, we're gonna cover it, is what I'm saying. That's what I'm getting at. I don't get what's going on with these cheap Kroger crescent rolls. You know, I just look and I got that little bitty piece. I'm gonna tear that off. I'll place it someplace. I don't know how to unroll this one. It's like there we go. All right, maybe. All right, look, it just took a little figuring. My gosh. Could it be any more annoying? All right, look, I'm trying to get you underneath there, Carrot. All right. Put you over here like so. My God, would you? All right, so this one can go here. This one can go there. And see, now we got this little bitty guy that can go there and fill in that spot. And we got this little piece here. I don't know. Let's just tuck it over here. All right. So now we're gonna let the oven warm up, and then we'll throw this in there. So I like to go ahead and clean up my mess in between, but now that we're still waiting on the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and feed Piston. Now Piston's a very picky eater, so I'm giving him some or what is this? You hear him? Frisky, there he is. What are you doing? So I'm feeding him Friskies extra gravy pate, and then I'm mixing in a delectable bisque lickable treat. And then he doesn't like his food in chunks, so we got to smooth it all out for him. Otherwise, he's just going to stick his nose up at it, and it's going to sit there and dry up, and then I got to clean it out. And so anyway, we got to mix all this food all up for him. He basically likes a soup almost. Oh my God, Piston, here's your food. Here's your food. Here you go, buddy. I'll feed all you. Oh, Saved by the Bell. All right, let's go ahead and yank this. Let's go ahead and yank this out of the oven. Having a little trouble here, guys. Woo-wee. Look at that, all bubbling and toasty brown. Anyway, I'm just poking. I don't know why I'm poking it. I'm just poking it. Let's give it the old crumbly fork test here. Look at that, all flaky. Yeah. All right, not too flaky, but a little flaky, you know? You know what I'm saying? So, anyway, go ahead and turn our oven off. How do I off? With the button that says off. And we're just going to go ahead and get us a chunk of this. Slap her on in. All right, guys. So quick update. I pulled this a little early. I threw it back in, and look, it's nice and crispy. I went to try the piece that I pulled out, and my dough was, well, you can still see it's where I shoved it back in there. It's a little gooey. So I shoved it back in for, I don't know, like 5 more minutes, and now it's nice and crispy. I do apologize. I told you before I'm not a cook, so just watch it. You know, just watch what you're doing. Don't do what I do all the time, you know, but this recipe is good. I have tried it a bunch of times. I don't know why I pulled it so early. I think I was just, you know, doing the whole video thing, and, you know, I wanted to cut and eat, and I was in a rush, and I screwed it up, is what I'm saying. But all I did was throw it back in for like 5 more minutes, and boom, nice, crusty, crispy. Look, that's all crispy now. Look at that. Huh? You know you want to make this. Anyway, this is a quick, I don't know, like what, 20-25 minute meal. You know, it takes like 5 minutes to prepare. Throw it in there, forget about it, go pop on some Cross-Thread Garage while you're letting this cook. And when you are done with the video, it'll be ready to eat. Probably even before that video is done. So anyway, please, thumbs up or down, but let's go for up. All right. Anyway, thank you guys. Love you. Bye. Cooking with Cross-Thread.